Hey everyone, this is lesson 4 in Unit 10 called What are electric circuits, conductors, and insulators? It's shocking on page 502. Electricity cannot move through all materials. Insulators are materials that do not allow electricity to flow. Rubber and plastic are examples of insulators. Conductors are materials that allow electricity to flow easily. Metals and some liquids are examples of conductors. Electric devices need electricity to work. Electric cords carry electricity to the devices. An electric cord contains metal wire. The wire conducts electricity through the cord. Electric cords are wrapped in plastic or rubber. These insulators make the cord safe to handle. Okay, a path to follow starting on page 504. Electricity must flow in a closed loop. A path that electric charges can flow through is called an electric circuit. A closed circuit is a complete loop. Electricity can flow through a closed circuit. An open circuit is an incomplete path. Electricity cannot flow through an open circuit. A switch controls the flow of charges by opening and closing the circuit. When the switch in a circuit is open, the circuit isn't complete. Electric charges cannot flow. When the switch is closed, electric charges can flow through the circuit. Okay, who needs a map on page 506? In a series circuit, electric charges must flow only one path. If any part of a series circuit breaks, the circuit is open. Electric charges cannot flow. Okay, who needs a map? Trace the paths electric charges follow in this series circuit. What would happen if one of the light bulbs burned out? In a series circuit, electric charges must follow a single path. The charged particles move from the battery's positive terminal to its negative terminal. So if one light bulb in a series circuit burns out, all of the lights go out because the circuit is broken. In a parallel circuit, electric charges can flow more than one path. If any part of a parallel circuit breaks, the charges can still flow along the other parts. Okay, who needs a map for this one? Trace the path electric charges follow in this parallel circuit. What would happen if one of the light bulbs burned out? So in this parallel circuit, electric charges can flow through both the top loop and the bottom loop. If one of the parallel circuit breaks, only that part of the circuit stops working. Okay, circuit overload on page starting on 508. When electric charges flow through conductors, the conductors get hot. If too much charge flows, the conductor can overheat and start a fire. Circuits in homes and buildings have fuses and circuit breakers to protect against fires. Fuses and circuit breakers are switches. They open automatically if too much charge flows through them. When they open, they stop a charge from flowing through the circuit. A circuit can overload if too many devices are plugged into it. Each device needs a certain flow of electrical charge or current. Current is measured in amperes or amps. If too many amps flow through a circuit, the circuit breaker or fuse opens. Alright, that's it for lesson 4.